Hey campers, this is Dustin with Extreme Lifestyles, and today I want to go over this brand new 2023 Sunset Park Sunray 109 Sport. This has a brand new front window in it, and I want to show it to you. Let's check this out. All right, let's go over this Red and Black 109 with that front window. Right up front, we have a 2-inch ball, 7-pin round wiring for towing. We have our manual tongue jack that flips over with a 3-inch socket, 3/4 inch socket, okay? Right on the front, spare tire mount, L-shaped brackets for the battery, and our propane regulator to run the, propane will be right here, battery, and your spare tire. As you can see, this just came in and we haven't even had time to put it together yet, but I wanted to get this video out to you. All right, over here is our battery disconnect switch. That's to turn the 12 volt onto the camper so you can run your lights, your power. Over here on the corner is going to be your furnace exhaust. This is outside storage. There is a light in here to turn everything on so you can see. Baggage door holder here. Gutter system up top. This is a roof rack. It does hold 500 pounds. There is a walkable roof up top, and we do have solar up top. 100-pound solar or 100-watt solar panel up there. Right here we have our fire escape that opens up with our window. Here's our 30-amp power cord, standard power cord. Over here is our outside shower with hot and cold water. City water connection. This is when you're going to the campground or you're at your house and you already have pressurized water. This is a freshwater connection, which is a fresh water tank that we are filling up. Then we turn on that little switch, turn on the water pump, and then we're running it. That's when we're boondocking, or I always explain this, that's when I'm pulling over on the side of the thruway and I need to wash my hands. Off-road tire package here. Right here is going to be our water heater. This is a 6-gallon electric or gas DSI. Direct spark ignition. Right here is our sink drain. Coaxial cable, just in case you want to hook up a TV inside. Above are our shower brackets. They offer a shower box right on their website. The shower box just goes right there, and then you can hook it up inside and shower outside. Now we're going on to the back. As we're looking at the back, you can see right above here, this right here is a lipper to go. That is a ladder rack accessory. So you can hook up your ladder, climb right up top if you want to put a rooftop tent up there or easily access your roof. Grab your kayaks, hook up your bikes, whatever you'd like. Right here is our outside storage, or outside kitchen as well. With the outside kitchen, we have the 2-burner stove, sink, outside plugs, water heater, connections to turn on your fridge, or connections to turn on and off your water pump and your lights. Then here is going to be some lights and some cabinets. Microwave. And this one has a 3-way fridge. Not all of them do. We've got a bunch in the industry right now, so this is a Delcool 3-way fridge with the operations right here. This 109 is only 7 foot wide, 7 foot tall, 12 feet long in total length, including the tongue, and is only 1,280 pounds. Right down here is our outside propane hookup. AC, porch light, handle, door, screen door on the inside to keep the bugs out, and we have our step to get in. Now let's get in there and I'll show you around on the inside. All right, now I'm inside with the unit. You can see right up front is a brand new window, which I do love. You know, it is a little different. It took me a couple days to get used to. I wasn't sure how much I'd like it, but I like the natural light. I like that it still gives me everything that I wish for with the other one, but I can see out my door now. So I do actually really like that feature, and I didn't know that until I got in here and started playing around with it. So the front window is now completely open for me to do whatever I want with. Then we go into the wall over here, which is showing you our main fire escape and window. Pop that right open or pull it closed. Then on the back wall, we're showing the solar controller, thermostat, USB plugs that run off battery, TV backer and TV plugs right here to plug in a TV, 12-volt fan to get some air conditioning or some air in here. But the air conditioning unit's right here to get some AC. That needs to be ran off shore power, plugged in, ran off 110 outlets. Right next to that's going to be our Bluetooth stereo speaker, our power controls for the lights. Over here is going to be our box and our shelving unit. So then, as far as the bed goes, I am sitting on the sofa right now. That is a gaucho style bed, which I'm going to show you as we speak. And I'm going to show you without stopping the camera to show you exactly how easy it is to work. All we're doing is pulling this bottom, pulling it straight out as far as it can go, pulling that back out, and extending the backs. And it does turn into a full-size bed. There it is. So this is a 109 Sport by Sunset Park RV. This is the one with a brand new front window in it. So let me know what you think. Please check out all my other videos and subscribe to watch some more. Thanks for coming, guys.